As an avid gardener, I have always sought tools that enhance efficiency and ease in tending to my beloved plants. The Allmeadow Rechargeable Pruning Shear caught my attention due to its promising features and reputation for delivering exceptional results. After using it extensively in my garden, I am thrilled to share my review of this remarkable gardening tool. Design and build quality. The Allmeadow Rechargeable Pruning Shear boasts an ergonomic and well-thought-out design. The lightweight construction ensures a comfortable grip, minimizing hand fatigue during prolonged use. The build quality is exceptional, with durable materials that make it robust enough to withstand heavy-duty pruning tasks. Performance. This pruning shear excels in its performance, delivering precise cuts effortlessly. The high-quality blade is sharp and allows for clean and accurate pruning, promoting healthy growth for plants. The shear's powerful motor provides ample cutting force, allowing it to effortlessly tackle branches of various thicknesses. Battery life and rechargeability. One of the standout features of the Allmeadow Rechargeable Pruning Shear is its impressive battery life. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery offers a long-lasting runtime, allowing for extended pruning sessions without interruption. With a full charge, I was able to complete a significant amount of pruning work before needing to recharge. Safety features. The Allmeadow Pruning Shear prioritizes safety, which is evident in its design. The shear is equipped with a reliable safety lock feature that prevents accidental operation, reducing the risk of injury. The lock mechanism provides peace of mind when storing or transporting the tool, ensuring it remains in a safe state until ready to use. Overall, the Allmeadow Rechargeable Pruning Shear is an exceptional gardening tool that has exceeded my expectations. Its ergonomic design, remarkable performance, long-lasting battery life, and safety features make it a valuable addition to any gardener's toolkit. If you're seeking a high-quality pruning shear that delivers outstanding results, the Allmeadow Rechargeable Pruning Shear is undoubtedly worth considering.